All right, so a couple months ago, I started these guys off in my little off-brand AeroGarden, and as you can tell, they became absolute monsters. So I am moving them, well, I already moved them, from the AeroGarden setup into a Kratky style setup. It's been a couple days. And this guy right here has gotten so big and strong that even the supports are not holding him up. I had to actually take some filament because, normal people use string, but I had a bunch of filament that was all tangled up and everything. So I'm using that to support it. And right now it seems to be working, but we will see because it seems like every time I walk away from this guy, he falls over. But once I get these guys kind of settled, because they're still stressed out, you can see, the leaves are all curling and stuff because I just moved them a couple days ago. They're stressed because it was a big move for them. Their roots got all tore up. So once they're settled and calmed down, then I am going to try to crossbreed them. Now this one I know is the AeroGarden Harvest Cherry, or not Harvest, good Lord, Heirloom Cherry. This guy is a wild card because I don't know if he's Tiny Tim. I don't think so because of how ribbed this fruit is, but he's the only ribbed fruit. So I'm not 100% sure, but he's either Tiny Tim or he is from a tomato that I got in a gourmet pack of cherry tomatoes. And I was like, oh, this seems interesting because it was like this really pretty like green and red tie-dye tomato. It didn't taste particularly great, but like it was so pretty. So that could be what this guy is. We won't know until they actually start, until the fruit starts to ripen. But yeah, I got a couple other plants, but I don't have any. Oh, and I just lost a flower. That's sad. I forgot where I was going. I was so distracted by that flower. All right. Well, let me know if you would like to see the outcome of the different breeding. You can see I got a couple of peppers back there. Right. Oh, there we go. There's one pepper. But I will be crossing bell peppers, and I don't even know if those are regular California bell pepper, like the California Wonder, or if they are the purple bell peppers, because I'm growing both. And because I am nothing if not an idiot, I did not mark down which one it is. So I know that those are bell peppers from how they're growing. I just don't know which one. And then I do have jalapeno. This one I know because AeroGarden marks theirs. So I'm going to cross the jalapeno with the whatever bell pepper that is. And I will be crossing this harvest cherry with whatever this is, because I want to learn how to crossbreed plants, and I've never done it before, and it seems like fun.